Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on some contact lenses. So this is a company called Ttdeye and they sent me one pair of contact lenses. So I chose the colour Polar Lights Grey because my eyes are like bluey grey, but in pictures they look really dark, so I just wanted something that was similar to my natural colour but just a bit paler to make my eyes stand out a bit more, so that's the colour I chose. So these are $35 online, I've just looked, which is about £30 I think, and they send them from China I think, and didn't take that long for them to arrive, about a week. So when I opened up my package, so you get the two lenses in two little different packages, and then you get a little box to store them, and you get some little tools in here as well. Which I've never seen these before. But that I assume is to put it in, and then this thing to maybe take it out, which is probably really handy because I really struggle with putting contact lenses in. And then I also got sent a little mirror. For my followers, if anyone's interested in buying them, I get a discount code for 10% off. So my code is FX, so yeah, 10% off. So this is not sponsored, they just did send me a free pair, so I'm going to be honest with my review and let you know what I think. So let's put them in, I'm excited. I literally spent like hours looking at all the different colours and the different pictures of people wearing them to kind of try and get the colour that I wanted. So they come individually in these little packets. You can get them in prescription as well, so they last for 1 whole year, which is really amazing because I keep buying contact lenses and then they're just the one-day ones, and I just use it for like a makeup look and then I end up throwing them away and it's so pointless. So $35 for a whole year is not, obviously if you're going to use them, it's pretty good in my opinion. I did go out and I bought some contact lens solution as well. You do get some in here, but I think if you're having them for a year, you probably need fresh solution and to store them in these pots, so that's something to bear in mind. And I'm going to try using this little one, so I'm going to pop it on there. And put in. I'm really bad at doing this. Wow, it's in. It's really weird because the contact lens, when you look at it, it just looks like pale white, but when you put it in, it like, I don't know, it really looks real. It's weird. That is exactly the colour I wanted, because if you look, it's like my real eye colour but just a few shades lighter. Oh my god, I love it. I'm really impressed. I've never had like a natural coloured contact lenses before. Okay, I'm going to put the other one in now. Okay, so that's both of them in. I am genuinely really impressed. Like this eye, because I've just put it in, it's just adjusting a bit, so it's a tiny bit blurry, but they feel really comfortable. And I just can't believe how amazing they look. They are the exact colour I wanted. I'm really happy. I feel like I'm never going to want to take these out and have my real boring dull eye colour. So I'm just going to put some eye makeup on now to see how they look with that. So I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and just do a bit of a smoky eye. So that's the lenses with some eye makeup on. It's very dramatic, but I'm just about to do a look for my Instagram. So yeah, so I'll check back in at some point and when I've worn them for like a whole night and let you know how comfy they are and stuff, but I'm just really impressed with how they look so far. They feel fine, and yeah, I'm really happy. So I get, if anyone's interested in getting them, I have a 10% off code, which is FX. So you put that in at the checkout, and this is the colour Polar Lights Grey. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye!